In today's session, we will be discussing about association classes. What is an association class? What does it represent? And we will also discuss qualified association. So let's start with what is association classes. What does it mean? An association class is an association that is also a class. So here you can observe that an association class is an association. So here association class, it is nothing but accessible by. It is an association class. So it is associated to this association line by the, it is a join, it is connected through the dashed line. You can observe here it is represented through the dashed line. Accessible by class is an association class attached to the association link by a dashed line. This accessible by class is having access permission as its attribute. So in the second point they have said that like a class, an association class can have attributes and operations and participate in associations. So we know that we came to know that accessible by class is connected to the association link through the dashed line. So it is a class. So this class we call it as the association class, which is having access permission as its attribute. So association class, the concept is cleared. Now let's move on to the next concept, qualified association. So what is qualified association? We got an idea about what is association class. Now what is qualified association? Qualified association is an association in which an attribute called the qualifier disambiguates the objects for a many association ends. It is possible to define qualifiers for one to many and many to many associations. So what they are saying, qualified association is an association in which an attribute called the qualifier disambiguates the objects for a many association ends. Observe the figure. Here the qualifier disambiguates. They are saying that the qualifier disambiguates the objects. It means the qualifier resolves the duplicates in the objects for a many association end. So here there is an association with one to many association, that is a bank. One bank can have a zero or more accounts, or you can also say that one bank can have many accounts. See the definition in the second point. They have said that it is possible to define qualifiers for one to many association, for one to many and many to many association. So here a qualifier can be defined to resolve ambiguity. So here a qualifier can be defined for this association, that is one to many association. For to resolve this ambiguity, we can define a qualifier. Here, account number is a qualifier. You can observe in the second another diagram. So, account number is a qualifier because account number specifies a unique account. Account number is specifying a unique account. You know that an account number can be given to an account, that is one account can have a individual, that is unique account number. So here it can't have the ambiguities, so it resolves the disambiguates the qualifier, disambiguates the objects, so the duplicates cannot have here. So because the account number specifies a unique account, bank and account are the classes and account number is a qualifier. Here bank and account are the classes and account number is a qualifier. So we can call this association as a qualified association since we are using a qualifier here. So this association is called a qualified association. So far we have discussed what is association class. An association class is nothing but it is an association which that is also a class. You can observe accessible by is a class, it is connected to the association link through the dashed line. So this is a association class, and it is having the attribute as access permission. And the qualified association is nothing but it is an association in which an attribute called the qualifier disambiguates the object. So here account number is an attribute, so it is used as a qualifier to disambiguate the objects for a many association end. So here bank and account are the classes. One bank can have zero or more accounts, or one bank can have many accounts. So account number is an attribute. So this to resolve the ambiguity, we have used account number as a qualifier. So account number can be given to the account which is having the individual account number. So here it resolves the ambiguity. Since account number is used as a qualifier, we call this association as a qualified association. Here this is not qualified association, this is not qualified. So they have represented here not qualified. Since here it is having account number as a qualifier, it is a qualified association. Thank you.